I'm generally a morning person. I start my morning in LA a lot earlier than I would here, so I would start roughly about 5 a.m. in LA. First, I like to go for a run, but also the team here is still working and operating. In Yerevan, my morning starts roughly about 6 o'clock, and the reason is I don't go out for a run, I work out at a gym. One of the most frequent things that you do as a CEO, you make a lot of decisions in a day. There was a day when I decided to count how many decisions I had to make, and that was 63. And that actually taught me something, that I needed to empower a lot of the people that I work with for me to make less decisions and for people to make a lot more decisions on their own. When we were building this office space, this campus, I wanted to have, and as you see, we have a lot of glass everywhere. And the glass was a way to show transparency in everything that we do and everything I do. And I actually wanted to have my office to have only glass wall for transparency purposes as well. But then the architect and the designers that I was working with, they said, Armen, you would want to have a tape on the glass, not for you, but for them, for the employees. And I said, why? Is it, it's like so they would feel comfortable that you're not constantly looking at them. A good leader should be an enabler, a person who enables those around them, inspires those around them, trusts all around them. I think those are critical values, and also with leadership comes mimicking whoever you are, and then that plays down on everyone else. So having integrity as a leader, I think, is paramount. I think for us it was important to bring culture of innovation. FAST is all set about scientific discovery, technological innovation, development of an ecosystem that drives those types of verticals forward. So for that, if you're not creative, if you're not innovative, I don't think any of this move forward. Rewarding, insightful, discovering, challenging. I would want to bring that as well, challenging. We looked at what would be one domain, bringing an element of prosperity to the work that we're doing, but also the element of prosperity in Armenia as well. Early on, we decided that was going to be artificial intelligence. So that's from the inception of the organization, because a few months after the organization was launched, we had the first machine learning and AI conference in Armenia. So AI has always been part of the work that we wanted to do. There was very little conversations about artificial intelligence at that time, but we're most proud that we've created at least the skeleton or the structure of a pipeline that would that would generate AI specialists and competitive experts in Armenia. This is going to be sounding ridiculous for most of you, but it's 4 ounces of non-fat yogurt, 7 peanuts, raw peanuts, 1 banana, and then 1 egg white, a boiled egg, but only the egg whites, and 16 to 20 ounces of green tea. That's what I've been doing for 20 years.